Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Solar System and Our Earth. Take the correct answer. The gravity of which body keeps the planets and other celestial bodies together in the solar system? Jupiter, Earth, Sun, Moon, and C is the correct answer, Sun. The Earth completes its rotation around the Sun in 365 days. This period is called solar year, solar month, lunar year, and A is the correct answer, solar year. Due to the annual rotation of Earth and tilt on its axis, day and night are formed, seasons change, eclipses are formed, shadows are formed, and B is the correct answer. On the globe, in which part of the earth is Pakistan situated? Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Equator, half in the northern and half in the southern hemisphere. A is the correct answer, Northern Hemisphere. Which planet of solar system does not have any moon? Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and B is the correct answer, Venus. Write short answers. We can only see one side of the moon. Explain. Moon also rotates around its own axis. The duration in which it completes one trip around the earth in the same time it also completes one rotation about its own axis. That is why we can see only the same one half of the surface of the moon. We never see the other half. If there were no tilt in the Earth's axis, how would it have affected the seasons? If there were no tilt in the Earth's axis, the change in season could not occur. When it is winter in the northern hemisphere, then that will be the season in the southern hemisphere. When it is winter in the northern hemisphere, then there will be summer on the southern hemisphere. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury is closest to the sun. Why is the solar eclipse usually partial? Usually we see partial solar eclipse. It is because the moon is much smaller than Earth, so its shadow falls only at a small part of the Earth. Constructed response questions. Which phenomena are shown in the following figures? Sun, moon and earth. यहाँ पे मून जो है वो दरमियान में है तो ये सोलर एक्लिप्स है. मून अर्थ सन, यहाँ पे अर्थ दरमियान में है तो ये ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स है. इन द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर ईच arrowhead shows the axial or orbital movement of earth and moon. Write the correct type of movement in the box given near each arrowhead. Orbital, axial, axial and orbital. In how many days does the moon complete one rotation around the earth? 29 days. In how many days does the earth complete one rotation around the sun? 365 days. Identify the season in the southern hemisphere as per the given figure. Write the correct season in the boxes given near the dates. 21st March equal day and night. 22nd December longest night. 23rd September equal day and night. 22 June 2nd June longest day. This is equator, and in southern hemisphere, in east side winter, west side spring. Here are summer and then autumn. Investigate if the sun stops providing light and heat, what will be its effect on the earth? Would life be possible on the earth? If the sun stops providing and heat, life could not be possible on earth. Here are some additional questions. Define orbit. The circular path of planet around the sun is called an orbit. How days and night comes. Day and night are due to the rotational motion of earth. What is solar eclipse? Solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Which planets of the solar systems are without moon? Mercury and Venus planets of the solar systems are without moon. Which planet is farthest? Neptune is the farthest planet in the solar system.